Good morning, children. So already in the previous classes we learned about the how to find out the HCF and how to find out the LCM. The next chapter is integers, that is the deleted lesson. Once again I will tell you, integers అనే lesson ని మనకి syllabus లోంచి delete చేయడం జరిగింది. So we will discuss in the last classes. So later we have to explain about the next chapter, fractions. Integers అనేది fourth chapter, అది మనకి deleted lessons లో వచ్చింది. So next chapter, fifth lesson, we have to continue fractions. Fractions are very important. Already you know that in the fifth class. So what is a fraction? What is a fraction? A fraction is a part of a whole. What is a fraction? A fraction is a part of a whole. See here, some picture I draw here. This is a one circle shape. Here I am dividing four parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts I am dividing equal parts. When we take one part, so this is the green part, and this part value is called a fraction. So what is the part value of this one is, the green part value is 1 and the total parts are 4. So the value is 1 by 4. The value is 1 by 4. What is the value of 1 by 4? The green portion value. The green portion value is 1 by 4. Suppose when they asked what is the portion value of orange color, ఆరెంజ్ కలర్ యొక్క పోర్షన్ వాల్యూ అడిగినప్పుడు హౌ మెనీ ఆరెంజ్ షేప్స్ ఆర్ హౌ మెనీ ఆరెంజ్ బ్లాక్స్ ఆర్ హియర్, 3 blocks are here. So 3 oranges shaded, and total ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి, how many total blocks are here, 1 2 3 4 blocks are here. So the fraction value is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 means orange portion value. The green portion value is 1 by 4. That means what is fraction? A fraction is a part of a whole. A fraction is a part of a whole. మనం అన్ని ఈక్వల్ పీసెస్ ని కట్ చేసినప్పుడు that small piece, that any small one piece is called a fraction. So here I am writing what is a fraction means. A fraction is a part of a whole. Here there are two parts in the fraction. మనం ఒక fractions లో రెండు numbers ని చూస్తాం. So this is called a fraction bar. This is called a fraction bar. Fraction bar is dividing two parts. This part is called the above the line number is called numerator. Above the line number is called numerator. Line పైన ఉండే నెంబర్ ని మనం numerator అని అంటాము. Below the line number is called denominator. Line కింద ఉండే నెంబర్ ని మనం లైన్ కింద ఉండే నెంబర్ ని డినామినేటర్ అంటాము. లైన్ పైన ఉండే నెంబర్ ని న్యూమరేటర్ అంటాము. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ మీన్స్? ఏ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఈజ్ ఏ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఏ హోల్. దేర్ ఆర్ టూ పార్ట్స్. సో వాట్ ఆర్ ద పార్ట్స్? న్యూమరేటర్ అండ్ denominator. So numerator means above the line number is called numerator, below the line number is called denominator. Suppose here I am writing 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is a fraction, 3/4 fraction antam. So in this 3 by 4, which is numerator? The above number is called numerator. The below the line number is called denominator. Remember these two definitions, numerator and denominator. Which is numerator? The above the line number is called numerator. The below the line number is called denominator. పైన ఉండేదాన్ని మనం numerator అనాలి, కింద ఉండేదాన్ని మనం denominator ఉండాలి. So how to find out, how to identify the fraction values? ఫ్రాక్షన్ వాల్యూస్ ని ఎలా ఐడెంటిఫై చేయాలి? సపోజ్ మనం ఇక్కడ చెప్పుకున్నప్పుడు వాట్ ఈస్ ద పోర్షన్ వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ గ్రీన్ ఈస్ 1 part is only shaded. So the value is 1 by total parts. How many total parts? 1 by 4. అంతేగాని 1 by 3 అని రాయకూడదు. మేడం ఇక్కడ 1 గ్రీన్ ఉంది, రిమైనింగ్ 3 ఆరెంజెస్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, 1 by 3 కదమ్మా. సో the first green part is value is 1. But the remaining total, how many parts are divided here? 4 equal parts are divided here. So 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is also called quarter. 1 by 4 is also called quarter. Here see the picture. Here I am dividing into two equal blocks here. Two boxes here, 1 and 2. Here one part is shaded here. Now what is the parted shaded value is 1 by, how many total parts are there here? 2 parts. So the two parts value is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means another name is హాఫ్ అంటే ఏంటి సగం అంటాం కదండి సో ఫ్రాక్షన్ వాల్యూ half 1/2 means half here the numerator is 1 and the denominator is 2 the next picture you have to see here one part is only shaded so the value is 1/4 come to the third picture here I am giving triangle shape how many parts are dividing here 3 equal parts 1 2 3 1 2 3 here so how many parts are shaded here 3 parts are shaded here 3/3 means 1 that is whole thing 3/3 means whole thing that means 4/4 is also 1 5/5 is also 1 6/6 is also 1 so the above number is called numerator and below the number is called denominator so what is fraction a fraction is a part of a whole so come to the next picture here how many equal parts are shaded so how many first you can identify how many parts are dividing any parts divide chesaru you have to count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 parts are dividing here 8 parts divide chesaru now how many parts are shaded orange color how many parts are shaded here orange color 1 so the fraction value is 1/8 so what is the orange color fraction value 1 by total parts are 8 1/8 and the remaining blue color portion value how many blue color portions are there 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 so 7 and how many total parts are there 8 total parts are there so the fraction value is 7/8 here also same 8 blocks are there 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 is there how many green color are there here 3 green color portions so what is the fraction value 3 total parts are 8 and the remaining blue color 1 2 3 4 5 so the fraction value is 5/8 so in this way we can identify and we can write the fraction values there are two parts numerator and denominator so 1/2 means half 1/4 means quarter and 3/3 ante maniki whole vastundi so these are about the fractions and next about the types of fractions ఏంటంటే మనకి ఫస్ట్ నుంచి చూద్దాం like or unlike fractions are you understand what is fraction there are two parts numerator denominator మన fraction bar అనేది numerator ని denominator ని డివైడ్ చేస్తుంది సో like fractions what is like fractions if denominators are same I am giving short definition you can see in your textbook there is a definition is there what are like fractions means suppose I am giving examples here 1/2 3/2 7/2 8/2 what is the common thing you observe in these fractions so all denominators are same such like fractions are called like fractions ఇలాంటి ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ ని మనం లైక్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ అనాలి ఎలాంటి ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ ని లైక్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ అనాలి if denominators are same in all fractions such fractions are called like fraction suppose here 5/8 6/8 7/8 is it like fractions yes it is a like fraction suppose here 7 is there or 3 is there is it like fractions no those are different denominators so these are not like fractions మరి ఇలాంటి వాటిని ఏమనాలి unlike fractions which denominators are different that is called unlike fractions give me any example 5/11 6/7 3/5 these are all unlike fractions so like means denominators are same that is like fraction unlike means if denominators are different that is called a unlike fractions the next one is unit fractions what are unit fractions what are unit fractions means if numerator is 1 If numerator is 1, such fractions are called unit fractions. Suppose 1 by 7, 1 by 11, 1 by 100, 1 by 9. These are all fractions, etc. These are all fractions are called unit fractions. Unit fractions means numerator 1 unte ganaka danni manam unit fractions ani anali. So next one, proper fraction. So you have to write all these fractions in your classwork proper. What is proper fraction? What is proper fraction is if numerator is less than denominator. If numerator is less than denominator. Give me the example. 5 by 7. ఏది ఎక్కువ మనకి 5 is less number and 7 is a big number. So this is a proper fraction. 3 by 6. Numerator. What is numerator here? 3 is a numerator and 6 is a denominator. So 3 by 6 is a proper fraction. Give me some more example. 1 by 9. Here also numerator is less than denominator. These type of fractions are called proper fractions. ఏది తక్కువ ఉండాలి మనకి? న్యూమరేటర్ తక్కువ ఉండాలి, డినామినేటర్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటే that type of fractions is called proper fractions. Come to the next one, improper fractions. What is the next one? Improper fractions. If numerator is greater than, if numerator is greater than denominator is called a improper fraction. So let us see the examples. 11 by 6. Which is more value? Numerator is 11. Denominator is 6. Numerator is bigger one. Denominator is the lesser one. So here which value is bigger number? Numerator is bigger than the denominator and this is called a improper fraction. Come to the next example. Any example. 100 by 7. 100 is a bigger than the denominator, so you can, this is a improper fraction. Improper fraction ante manaki edi ekku undali? Numerator ekku undali, denominator takku undali. Give me one more example here. 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is also a improper fraction. And what about 5 by 5? ఇందులో న్యూమరేటర్ ఎక్కువ కాదు, డినామినేటర్ ఎక్కువ కాదు, both are same. Here also this type of fractions is also called improper fractions. So 5 by 5 the value is 1. 1 is a whole number. So this type of fractions is also called a improper fractions. The next one is mixed fractions. What is mixed fractions? The combination of whole number and proper fraction. ఒక whole number ఉండాలి, అలాగే ఒక proper fraction ఉండాలి. Examples 3 1 by 4. This is a mixed fraction. How it is called mixed fraction is 3 is a whole number. Whole numbers అంటే విడిగా ఉండే నెంబర్ మనం చెప్పుకున్నాం కదండి సెకండ్ చాప్టర్ లో whole numbers. So 0 to infinity numbers are called whole numbers. So 3 is a whole number and the remaining number is a proper fraction. ఈ రెండిటిని కలిపి రాస్తే that is called a mixed fraction. And next 5 2 by 8. Any fraction you have to write. 6 1 by 7. These are all examples of mixed fractions. Two fractions ganaka ela unte that is oka whole number oka proper fraction kalisi unte that is called a mixed fraction. So these are the types of fractions. What is the types of fractions? Like and unlike, and unit fractions, proper and improper, and the last one is the mixed fraction. So these are the types of fractions. And the next one is very small topic but that is very important, how to convert into the proper to improper, improper to proper. proper fraction, sorry, improper fraction, mixed fraction. Improper fraction to mixed fraction, and mix it to improper fraction. These are the two conditions you have to learn how to convert the two fractions. Improper fractions means, give me some example here. Improper means numerator ekku undali kadamma 5 by 2. They given 5 by 2. ఇప్పుడు దీన్ని మనం మిక్స్డ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ కింద ఎలా మార్చాలి? So if they given improper fraction, how to convert into the mixed fraction? You have to do the simply do the division. ఏ నెంబర్ అయితే ఇచ్చారో దాన్ని డివిజన్ చేయండి. 2 table 1 time is less number 2 times 4. See, this is the remainder and this is the quotient. Did you get remainder and quotient? Now how can you write the mixed fraction is, first you write the quotient and you write the remainder and you write the dividend. The mixed fraction is 2 1 by 2. దీనికి ఫార్ములా కూడా మీరు రాసుకోవచ్చు. QR by D అంటే divisor here. Q means quotient, R means remainder, D means divisor. So how to convert into the improper to mixed fraction is, you have to do the division. Division cheyali. Division lo when you get the quotient and remainder like this, so you write first quotient. What you get here, quotient 2, and what you get the remainder 1 by, what is the dividend here? So divisor here 2, 1 by 2 is the fraction. Quotient ni whole number kinda rayali. In these two numbers are you write fraction. So the fraction, mixed fraction value is 2 1 by 2. I will give one more example here. 12 by 5. So you do the 5, 12. How many times? 2 times 10, 3 times more అయిపోతుంది కదమ్మా. ఇప్పుడు దీన్ని ఎలా మార్చాలి? ఫస్ట్ what you get the quotient here, you write Q and R. Quotient రాయమన్నా కదండి 2, remainder and divisor fraction 2 2 by 5. This is the mixed fraction. We have to convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction. Now how to convert into the mixed fractions into proper fraction? ఇచ్చిన fraction ని ఎలా convert చేయాలి? So this is the mixed fractions 3 1 by 4. How to convert into the mixed fraction? దీన్ని ఎలా convert చేయాలంటే see here. First you have to multiplicate these two numbers. First step 3 into 4. What you get? 3 4s are 12. Now what you get the product here? 12. What you leave the number here? 12 plus 1. What is the 12 plus 1? 13. The now fraction is 13 by, what you the denominator here, you write 13 by 4. So one more I am explaining here how to convert the mixed fractions into improper fraction. The mixed fraction is 3 1 by 4. First you have to multiplicate these two numbers. ఇక్కడ ఏదైతే మనకి QRD అని రాసుకున్నాం కదండి, అవన్నీ కూడా you have to multiplicate first these two numbers. Directly you can manage here. 4 3s are 12. First you can multiply here. 3 4s are 12. Next you have to adding 12 plus పైన ఏ నెంబర్ ఉందో ఆ నెంబర్ ని యాడ్ చేయాలి. 12 plus 1 13 by, what is the denominator? Right, you write here directly 13 by 4. One more example here. 6 11 by 7. Big fraction I am giving here. First you have to multiplicate these two numbers. 6 7s are 42. 6 7s are 42. Now which number you have to add? వచ్చిన నెంబర్ కి పైన ఉన్న న్యూమరేటర్ ని యాడ్ చేయాలి 42 plus 11 that means 53. Now 53 by ఏ నెంబర్ వేయాలి what is the denominator here 7 so 53 by 7 is the denominator in this way you have to converting. Next section we will continue the next class. Thank you.